lord, this is the trailer for tomorrow. She's a big girl. She's gonna fit the G so perfectly. You're gonna do us proud. So as you know, the hood did not sit flat, so the hinges that were there we took off, and these need to be cut slightly lower so the hood will sit flat, and then we should be good. Let's see the gap on this thing. Drop it. Oh, she's clean. This side's actually really nice. This side is a little bit higher, and we still gotta cut the spring to get this low. But I think that looks pretty mint for the act job we were doing.
It's fantastic.
Now we gotta make a grill. This is the mesh that I picked up. You can't really see on camera, but it's all hexagons. I thought it looked good. It's gonna look horrible on the car for now because we don't actually have a grill to like frame it. But this will do the trick just to keep anything off of my rad, and that's mainly the goal since I don't have a grill at the moment. I'm not spending 300 bucks for a mesh one until later down the line. So let's get this mounted up. That's the work. 2 21-year-olds in a half hour with mesh that does not fit. Coming closer, it looks even worse. You can see all the edges are just demolished. This bolt already popped through, and these 3 are just gonna hold in until the new grill comes in. But for now, it looks all right, I guess. It'll do the job from protecting my rad, so that's really what matters. Oh god, tomorrow's gonna be a long day. It's midnight, and we're just now loading the trailer up. Now we have to bring it back to my house and load the car, and then go to bed, and then wake up at 6. Oh god.
What do I do? I like those videos where they do one of those aggressive zooms. Like,
let me watch this. Stressful night.
Was it the hose?
Hope so, but it doesn't look like it.
What could it have been then? I have to go grab a box.
Well, she's cooked. The car blew up. There's coolant everywhere. If the oh my god, if the block's cracked, I'm like, I don't even know.
but like you're not gonna sleep if you don't check it.
I'm almost at the point where I could sleep fine.
Really?
And just like, I'm just done. A year and a half of this car. 3 months of fighting to get it back. Turning down $10,000. Spending $10,000 to $12,000. Building it all myself. Going through all of this shit of driving around, structural safety, actual safety. These parts are all wrong parts, don't know, never been told, body shop f***ed me, and it fucking blows up in the trailer.
But it might not be the worst possible thing.
Maybe not. So this is the aftermath. I know the light's kind of dim in here, but you can see the puddles of coolant. We pushed the car back, and we picked up the kitty litter to try and clean up what we can to get our deposit back. But I really don't know where we're going from here, if we're gonna do the safety or what. We're gonna have to figure this out, and it's 1 in the morning.